Welcome to Papershare, the channel dedicated to bringing you the latest scientific discoveries and mysteries across all fields of science. For centuries, the question of how life on Earth originated and evolved has captivated scientists and the public alike. Recent advancements in science have brought new light on this interesting topic, bringing us closer than ever before to understanding the origins of life. In this episode, we will explore the fascinating history on life on Earth, from the first simple organisms to the complex ecosystems that exist today. We will examine the evidence for evolution, the mechanisms by which it occurs, and the controversies that continue to surround this fundamental theory. Join us as we delve into the mysteries of life's origins and the incredible story of our planet's evolution. One of the earliest theories on the origin of life is the primordial soup theory, first proposed by the Soviet biologist Alexander Oparin in the 1920s. This theory suggests that life began in a soup of organic molecules in the Earth's early oceans, which were created by lightning strikes, volcanic activity, and intense UV radiation. Over time, these molecules combined to form more complex organic compounds, eventually leading to the formation of the first living cells. This theory was supported by the famous Miller-Urey experiment in the 1950s, which showed that the basic building blocks of life, such as amino acids, could be created under conditions similar to those on early Earth. Another theory on the origins of life is the panspermia theory, which suggests that life on Earth was seeded by microorganisms from space. This theory suggests that these microorganisms could have arrived on Earth via meteorites or comets, and that they were able to survive in the harsh conditions of space. While this theory is still somewhat controversial, it is supported by the fact that we have found organic molecules on comets and meteorites, and that some microorganisms are known to be able to survive in the extreme conditions of space. A relatively new theory on the origin of life is the deep-sea hydrothermal vent theory. This theory suggests that life began around underwater volcanic vents. These vents release a mixture of gases and minerals that could have provided the energy and building blocks necessary for life to begin. This theory is supported by the fact that deep-sea hydrothermal vents are home to a wide variety of unique and exotic organisms, which suggests that they may be a hotspot for the origin of life. So, which theory is correct? Well, the truth is, we still don't know for sure. All of these theories have their strengths and weaknesses, and it's likely that the origin of life was a complex process that involved a combination of these factors. Now that we've discussed some theories about the origin of life, get ready for the captivating story of its evolution and uncover the astonishing transformation that has led us to where we are today. The concept of evolution, which states that living organisms change over time through natural selection and genetic variation, is one of the most significant scientific ideas of all time. The theory of evolution is widely accepted by scientists and has revolutionized our understanding of the natural world. In 1859, Darwin's theory proposed that all living organisms share a common ancestor, and that over time, small variations within populations can accumulate and lead to significant changes in the species. Those that have a survival advantage in an environment are more likely to be passed on to the future generations, leading to the evolution of new species. Evolution explains how species diversify, adapt, and become better suited to their environment over generations. For instance, research shows how different species share different structural and functional features. This suggests that they have a common ancestor. Fossil records document the gradual changes in species over time, revealing the history of life on Earth. In addition, genetic studies demonstrate how all organisms use the same genetic code, indicating they share ancestry, and these are just a few examples of the evidence supporting the theory of evolution. The evolution theory has been supported by evidence from fields such as genetics, paleontology, and biogeography. However, despite the overwhelming evidence supporting the theory of evolution, it remains a topic of controversy and debate among some individuals and groups, particularly those with religious or ideological objections to the idea. Furthermore, there are still many mysteries surrounding the evolution of life. how major transitions in evolution occurred, and how certain traits, such as consciousness or language, emerged in humans. So stay tuned and keep watching Papershare for more updates on the latest scientific discoveries and mysteries in all fields of science. Thank you for watching.